It's time. Today, we're taking the Mustang on the road.
This is my dad's 1969 Mustang convertible, and in the last video I had the carburetor completely refurbished and assembled it back on the car myself in an attempt to get it running.
It runs smooth. It's holding idle.
That was a successful day, but now it's time for the real test, its first drive in 3 years. And I'm a bit nervous.
This is very much a shakedown drive, so I've come prepared. I've got water, a fuel canister, a trusty Ryobi leaf blower, might come in handy, my Ryobi tyre inflator, which I just bought and I love it, spare tyre, jumper leads, and of course, a toolbox in the back seat. I do have a destination in mind today, and it's keeping with the theme of exploring Melbourne's food scene, but I have no idea how this is gonna go. So I'll explain more on the road, but for now, let's just see if the Mustang can get us there.
And no better place to start than Beach Road in Melbourne's southeast.
We are cruising. Oh man, this is so good. It's quite weird. It's just so different from any modern car whatsoever. Like, there's a lot of play in the steering wheel. Accelerator's really heavy, but listen to that motor. Oh yes. It actually takes quite a bit of pressure on the accelerator to get the motor revving high, which I don't mind because I can just control it nicely, but we're just gonna cruise today, not looking to get the engine any hotter than it needs to be. So as I explained, today is all about a bit of a shakedown because the major issue with this car has always been the overheating issue in its kind of recent years anyway. And there's many times that it's left me on the side of the road after a really long drive. Not so much the short ones, it can handle the short ones, but it's just if you drive it a lot in one day, sometimes it just gets too much. So that was kind of the reason for the big service a few years ago. My understanding is that the water pump was changed and a whole coolant flush was done as well. So this is the test to see if those fixes in the last service have actually made a difference. I have a camera on the water temperature gauge down here, which is the thing that I just watch the whole time when I drive this car. It's always eyes on that. Yeah, there's a bit of anxiety. I hate overheating anxiety. I really hate overheating anxiety, and every time I've driven this car, it's always been about keeping the eye on that temperature, but we'll see how we go. I think as long as air is moving through the front, it's generally okay. We hate stop-start traffic because it needs that constant airflow through the front to keep it cool. The gauge is doing quite well right now. It's sitting nicely, so we'll just keep an eye on that. But it doesn't get much better than this today. 22 degrees in Melbourne, sunny day. It was the perfect day for me. And cruising down the beach road, nice at 60, just nice cruising pace, not too many stoplights. So yeah, hopefully we get to our destination, which I should tell you about soon actually.
It was very comfortable cruising the quiet streets of Bayside, but my destination was a little bit more ambitious and would put the car to the test.
So the place I want to try and get to, and hopefully we get there, is the Mornington Pier to a place called SPK Kiosk. Now, they are renowned for their amazing potato cakes. They've gone absolutely viral on social media. They're all over TikTok, and I've actually been meaning to go for a while. So I thought that was kind of the perfect destination for this. So fingers crossed, we can get all the way to the Mornington Pier. It's about 40 minutes from where I am now on the beach road. So let's see how we go.
But for now, temperatures were steady, so I could take a moment to sit back and enjoy the cruise.
Another Mustang, hey! 65, nice. I do like the 65 and 66, but there's something about this 302 V8 in the way it sounds, in the way it feels over the 289. I don't know, it just feels meatier, rawer, a bit more aggressive. So I've always had a thing for this motor. And I think the 69 is the best looking vintage Mustang, the best looking 60s Mustang. Again, the 65 and 66 are really nice, you know, the very American vibe, but the 69 kind of ticked over into that real muscle car kind of feel. It's a bit bigger, it's a bit longer. Obviously had the 302. It's my favorite favourite style of Mustang. And I think they're pretty rare. I don't see them around a lot, especially in a convertible as well. The 69 hardtop is a beautiful looking car, and obviously the Mach 1 is an iconic car. But yeah, there's something about the open top experience in this body shape that is really unique and feels pretty special to drive. Water temperature check, it's going well, just sitting over 80, which is nice.
But then I hit my first round of heavy traffic. It's a busy intersection, but I didn't expect it to take as long as it did.
Oh no, I don't want to stop. Okay, we're at a set of lights. You see the temperature rising a little bit, but hopefully it's not too long and we can keep going.
But it took forever.
Okay, we're up at 90 degrees, so let's see if it can't cool down while I get moving again. Slightly nerve-wracking.
And you can just see here, as I got moving, the temperature slowly started to drop, which was such a relief. So after a quick detour with some open roads, it was back in a good place. We can continue on.
The one thing I said that I was going to do, which I haven't, was find a shroud for that radiator. It's going to prove pretty difficult, and it's going to take a long time, I think, because it is an aftermarket radiator. I don't really know when it was put in the car, but I might have to take it to a Mustang specialist and they might have to hunt something down, but it wasn't easy as kind of looking online. It might be the case of actually having to modify one as well, so it might just take a bit more time, but I don't know if it's going to make too much difference, and hopefully everything stays okay. But yeah, in the future, I'll definitely look at doing that, but I just wanted to get this out driving today and just shake it down, just see what's going on, see what we have to do next. And I think, you know, with these vintage cars, it's all a step-by-step process. It's never going to be kind of, let's fix everything in one go and everything's going to be perfect, unless you've got lots of money and can throw a lot of money at it at a full restoration, which I have actually spoken to my dad about. I don't know. Again, I think it's just step by step. The car is 56 years old and everything in here feels that old. There's a lot of squeaks. The steering's obviously extremely loose. You know, it drives quite well to cruise. I think now it's just about diagnosing what else we can do to keep it reliable. You know, I think that's what it's about for us. I know that's what it's about for Dad. Because last time he parked it up in the garage, he just got over it. Just got over it. It was too many issues. So try and fix the issues and get it back to a weekend cruiser.
This was always a project car for Dad. At the end of the day, it started life like this. And I had one significant contribution to its new look. I changed the interior to black from its original white. I was 14 years old, I had no idea what I was doing, but Dad ordered all the carpets and vinyls from the US and we worked it out together. I think it turned out okay.
And that's the thing about this car and experiencing driving this car, why it feels so good, is because I grew up in it. Dad bought it home when I was 9 or 10 years old, I can't really remember, but it was in the early 90s. And from that day, I just spent so much time in it. He would take me out and drive me all around Melbourne, and it was rain, hail or shine. The roof was always open, no matter what, no matter how cold. He'd put friends in the front seat. I'd sit in the back in a jacket and scarves and blankets, like absolutely freezing. Those memories, they just stay with you forever, and that's what's so special about this car to me. Yes, it's nowhere near perfect. It needs a lot of work, but it doesn't matter because this is what I grew up in and I have such a connection with it. It feels so warm and fuzzy, like a deep in the soul feeling that I'm in something really special to me. That passenger seat, I used to fall asleep in. I used to fall asleep to the sound of the rumbling 302. So when I started it up for the first time the other day, you know, hearing it again, it just brought all those memories back. And again, there's something you feel in your soul, and it's a really special feeling. So I just can't believe I'm out cruising in it. You know, when you're a kid and you just wish for the day that you're old enough to do something? Well, that's now. I always wish for the day that I'd be old enough to drive this car, and here I am.
So with the road opening up and
temperatures settling, which is fantastic,
It was time to get on and enjoy the rest of the drive.
Oh, listen to that. Purring the 302, absolutely purring.
And with a bit of luck through some notoriously busy intersections,
Green lights, yay. Green lights, yay. Green lights. Oh, look at this, beautiful.
the amazing coastline started to open up.
We're going to get some revs up here because we're going to go up a big hill, but we're going to have a fantastic view over my shoulder. So let's look out for this. Hopefully you can see it. We're not sitting too low. This is the beautiful part of the coast actually down here, just on the other side of Frankston. Look at that. Amazing. All right, how are we going? Yes, going well. Temperature's still stable. Okay, I'm not going to speak too soon. This 80 Ks is really doing it a lot of favors, but apparently we're going to be there in 15 minutes. I'm pumped. Come on, Mustang. We can do it. We can do it.
Then, heavy traffic.
It's red on Waze, which always makes me feel terrible.
And because we'd now been driving almost an hour, the temperature rose quick.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Before I knew it, we were sitting over 90 degrees.
Come on. Come on.
And with this long line for a red arrow, now I was starting to stress.
Okay, just get through here and then we're clear run. Come on. Come on, hold, please hold, please hold.
But it didn't hold and kept rising.
Need a green light. God, I hate this anxiety. This is what I hate. Come on, green light, please.
And rising.
Come on, please. Please, 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 please. Green arrow, go, go, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Green arrow, let's go, please. Please, please, please. Okay, don't you stop. Okay, I'm going. Okay, green. Happy times, happy times.
I was through, but look at the temperature. I was not in the clear just yet.
Come on, settle, please settle, please settle.
And then finally, it slowly started to cool down.
Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Oh, come on. Clear road ahead. Come on. Oh my gosh. Yes, settling, settling, thank you. Oh, we're so close. Come on. You wouldn't think I want the road to end when I'm cruising in a 69 Mustang, would you? But that's what some temperature anxiety can do to you.
Eventually, we were back to normal. Then, all the stress was worth it.
Oh, look at this view. It's beautiful. Oh, stunning. That's the Mornington Pier down there. Cruising, yeah, we're settling. Okay, that's good. 90 degrees, down a hill. Beautiful, it's exactly what it needs. Down a hill, nothing but brakes. Oh, I'm excited. Come on. Oh, it's settled nicely now. Oh, this is such a nice cruise. Look at this view. The next thing is going to be trying to find a car park.
Okay, let's get this done. I'm hungry.
Oh, they're taken. Oh, they're taken. No. How far away is it here? After you, sir. Not a problem. Head down here. There's a lot of people around. Come on. Let's see if there's something in here. Is there anything in here? Oh, this is such a nice spot. I would love something along here, but I don't think it's going to happen. I'll try down here actually. Someone give me something. Someone give me something. Bailing out. Stay cool, stay cool, stay cool. Are ya? Oh, what a legend. Yes, thank you, mate. Sweet. We did it! Yes!
We made it, and now that the car had stopped, it got really hot. But there was nothing I could do but wait it out, and it did eventually cool down. Let's get some potato cakes.
Here we go, let's do it. Potato cake time. I've come back in the car and put the roof on just for a bit of a break from the sun, but here we go. Here we go, look at this. Oh yeah. A little bit smaller than I was expecting, I think, but it's all about the flavour. So let's dive in. Oh, they do look good, seem crunchy. Look at that, golden. Oh, how, Oh, how's the crunch? Oh, and the salt. Okay, crunch, 10 out of 10. That is amazing. That crunch is addictive, and the potato is beautifully soft. Okay, the balance is spot on. The ratio of potato to the skin, perfect. I actually like it right in the middle there where it's a bit more undercooked. On the edges are a bit crispy, but right in the middle is the sweet spot, I think. And that salt, okay, you have to ask for the SPK chicken salt, no question about it. It kind of makes the whole flavour of this. Kind of weird, it said that you get 2 in one serve, so I kind of got 2 small ones in this little extra one, because they were super busy in there too. A lot of potato cakes going out today. Maybe these 2 were actually smaller than they usually are, and they gave me this extra little bit. But I'm gonna save that one, might take it to Dad, and I'll just go this one again. Look at that, how golden that is. See, I like that more, I think, than that. That just looks perfect, all right. And looks like there's a bit more potato in that too. Oh. Yeah. Maybe the potato ratio is a bit high in that fatter one, so the 2 of that size, perfect. But it is absolutely spot on. Did it live up to the hype? Yes, absolutely. That I'm gonna save for Dad. That'll be right, a little bit cold. Well, there we have it. Maiden voyage of the Mustang. I'd say it's a success. We made it to Mornington. The temperature has gone right down now, so it's ready for the drive home. And I've just experienced these viral potato cakes, which absolutely lived up to the hype. That's good, we'll have to come back here again. So next, I think I'd love to get this car on a hoist, have someone professional look at it, give it a good once over, and see where else we can kind of improve it. Just make it that little bit more reliable so Dad can get in it and take it away, and you know, he doesn't have to worry. You don't have that anxiety that something's gonna go wrong or it's gonna overheat too much. So I'd love to do that next. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and stay tuned because I'll bring you another update soon.